Among the healthiest foods on the planet are chia seeds, which are loaded with nutrients that can have essential benefits for the body and brain. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron, and calcium. Omega-3 fatty acids help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that protects against heart attack and stroke. In this video, we'll talk about 10 proven health benefits of chia seeds. If you don't want to miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Chia seeds are a good source of plant-based protein. Protein is made up of amino acids and is essential to the body. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 4 grams of protein. A 140-pound person needs about 50 grams of protein a day, and a 200-pound person, 70 grams. Use chia seeds as a way to top up your protein intake, along with lean meats, poultry, and full-fat dairy. Number 2. Chia seeds are high in fiber. Chia seeds are impressively high in fiber. Fiber is excellent for gut health. Remember, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 11 grams of fiber, almost half the daily requirement for women and about a third for men. Adding chia seeds to food is an easy way to add this important component to your food. Number 3. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are key cancer-fighting components in food. They fight free radicals, which cause damage to cells, proteins, and DNA. With chia seeds being high in antioxidants, it just makes sense to add them to foods as much as you can. As a side note, foods high in free radicals are those deficient in antioxidants. Processed meats and foods highly processed or full of sugar are examples. So stay away from those and satisfy your cravings with clean eating foods instead. Number 4. Chia seeds add a nutritional boost quickly and easily. One of the best benefits of chia seeds is that they are so simple to incorporate into your diet. You don't need to grind them, like flax seeds for example, to make them digestible. They mix well with liquids, and they are a simple but quick addition of nutrients to a variety of foods. One thing to note, because they are so high in fiber, it's best to add them to your daily regimen slowly. If you typically eat a lot of fiber, you'll be okay. Number 5. Chia seeds help with chronic inflammation. We all know that inflammation is bad for the body overall. Chronic inflammation, often brought on by unhealthy eating habits and lack of exercise, can wreak havoc on the body. Chia seeds are anti-inflammatory, and that means adding them to your diet helps fight cancer and other illnesses like heart disease. Number 6. Chia seeds may help reduce blood sugar. Another benefit of chia seeds is that they can stabilize blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. This reduces the chance of spikes and crashes sometimes experienced after meals. This is of great help to diabetics in particular. Pair adding chia seeds to smoothies, dressings, and food like oatmeal while eating non-processed foods. Doing so will be very good for you in the long run. Number 7. Chia seeds can improve exercise performance as much as a sports drink. According to a study, chia seeds can help athletes carb load for endurance events while increasing their intake of nutrients and decreasing their intake of sugar. Number 8. Chia seeds are good for bone health. It's kind of cool that this little powerhouse seed has so many nutrients like phosphorus, protein, and calcium. It's the calcium in chia seeds that will benefit your bones. A controlled study indicated that bone health and density were improved when the diet was supplemented with chia seeds. Number 9. Chia seeds can reduce heart disease risk. Heart disease is influenced by a lot of factors, including inflammation, extra body fat, and high blood pressure. Studies show that chia seeds can influence blood pressure levels, thus leading to better health. Exercise, eating healthy fruits and veggies, consuming only lean meats, and yes, eating chia seeds contribute to a better you. Number 10. Chia seeds may help with weight loss. Because chia seeds are high in protein and fiber, they are thought to be helpful with weight loss. Protein is known to reduce appetite and leave you feeling satisfied, which means less snacking on potentially unhealthy foods. Hope you guys liked the video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.